Here today, I'm going to show you how to use a WordPress blog, some basic things to go through to help you just figure out how to use it. All right, let's dive right in. So here's a blog that we've created. The main thing we'll be talking about is how do you do set up the title, how do you write the body description, how do you create links, bold items, how do you create a category, tables, that type of stuff in a blog post. So once you're logged into your website, you'll have a bar on top here, but it should look something like this on the left-hand side when you're in the dashboard for WordPress. And the first thing you want to do is go to posts on the left-hand side, and then it'll show all your posts here. And then you find the one post that you want to edit, or if you want to create a new one, you would just click Add Post. Today we're just going to show an existing post, and so you would roll your mouse over this one. This is what we're talking about today. 11 best WordPress bookkeeping plugins to fully automate your business. So then you would click on Edit. Again, you roll your mouse over, you click Edit. It's then going to take you to this screen here. This is the default kind of builder within the blog post. You can also do it on the front end Divi builder if you're using Divi. But it's kind of like Microsoft Word. You'll come in here, you can copy and paste, or you can just type stuff along the way here. And then you can highlight different things if you want to create it bold or italicized. You would just click the bold. Now that's going to be bold. We'll undo that. If you want to have title text, you can click this drop down and then select the title there. That's a heading 4. You can do Command Z on a Mac, and it'll undo what you just did. There's all these other items here that you can set up with bullet points and color changes on text. And we're not going to go through all that today, but you can come in here and kind of play around. Another big one is creating links. So if you need a link out to something, say somebody needs a schedule appointment, so set up a free schedule appointment, you click, highlight the text, click on the link, and then you can copy and paste in that link here. If you're going outside of your website, you'll want to make sure you click on the gear icon and say open in a new tab, because you wouldn't want people to leave your website. So it's going to open a separate tab if it's going off site. It's kind of the best practice to do that. Then you click add link and it'll apply it, and it'll look like this where it has a blue link. This is just linking out to another post that we have. What else can we show here? You can set up tables. That's kind of the simple way here. If you do for some reason see something that looks a little weird, there is a code section here so you can toggle between the two. If you're pasting from like a Microsoft Word document or something else and pasting it directly into your blog post, I usually recommend to paste it in the code side, so then it won't bring over any of the code. If you paste directly in the visual builder, sometimes it'll bring the styling from Microsoft Word document, and then it won't play nice when it's pasted into your visual side of the blog post. But if you're creating a brand new blog post and you're just typing directly in here, then you want to be in the visual side. But you can always go in on the code side and see what's going on. So like right here where that's a link, if I go on the code side, you'll be able to see how it created that link right here for that text. So that's kind of how that works. A big one also is on the right-hand side here. You can select up as many categories as you want. You can create new categories. So this example here, this blog post is talking about WordPress. So we have enabled the WordPress category. If you want to create a new category, just click that and you type in what you want to call, and then, or what you want it called, and you then would click add category. You can have parent categories if you need something to be nested underneath another item. That's kind of that for categories. Tags don't really use. Featured images, that would be good. So that's going to be the thumbnail image that shows up on your blog page. So if we go, let's see here, back, that'll be this image right up here. And this is your primary title, which is going to be showing right here. I'm just going to close that out. And then this is the body section of your blog post, and that's the middle kind of section here that you're seeing everything here. And then if we were to go into, say, a blog actual page where you have all your blogs listed out, you can then see kind of how the thumbnail will look. This is a custom one, so let's go to an actual, just the kind of a generic blog, how everybody has it set up when you install WordPress. So all these little images that you see above here, these are all featured images that we showed on the right hand side here. So when you create a blog post, you're gonna create a title, and it'll automatically apply a URL off the title. Then you're gonna create all your content here. Then usually you want to select a category that you're going to have that blog under. If you're creating multiple articles on stuff over time, it's easier for the customers to, or your users to find what they want to read about. And then last part, you want to make sure you create a featured image and attach it. And then you can do save as a draft here if it's a brand new blog post. This one doesn't have that because it's already a live page. And then when you click the blue publish here or update button, it'll then go live to your website and show on your blog page automatically. And then your users then click on the actual blog link, and then it opens up that separate blog post page. And you'll see how that URL is up there. All right, that's kind of a quick overview of creating a blog post in WordPress. Hopefully that was helpful. If it was, please like and comment below and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep creating more content like this. All right, thank you.